Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this section, I wanted to show you other files that you can use in Tableau. So I know Excel is pretty popular, at least popular among the group that I work with, but in addition to Excel, Tableau has such a robust amount of files that it can connect to, file formats, and also servers. Um, it really does sit right on top of anything, almost anything you can put under it as far as a data source goes. So I just wanted to open up Tableau and show you that aspect of it. I guess second to Excel, maybe CSV files, comma separated value files. So let me show you that. In order to go to a CSV file, that's considered, Tableau considers that a text file. So you open up Tableau, you go to the Connect Data Source window, and you click on Text File. And I'm going to use the text file that comes with Tableau Office Supplies.csv. So I'm going to open that. And it's pretty much as simple as that. So Tableau is going to read that. It's going to try and decipher what data I have in here. So you would just want to make sure that the data comes in correctly in the correct formats. So it looks like it did. We have an order date here that came in as a date. You have a region which came in as string, a rep, an item, those both came in as strings, and units and unit prices both came in as numbers. So that looks good. And on the left here, just like in opening an Excel file, you have, in this case, it's other files that show up here, other CSV files that are available to you since in Excel, when you open up an Excel file, it showed you all the tabs that were available. There's no tabs really in a CSV file, so Tableau shows you other files that are available as far as CSV or text files go in that directory that you're in. So that is how to open up a CSV file, and then you can use this CSV file in any way that you see fit. If you go right to a sheet, we can do number of units by region. So it knows what to do with the data just like in an Excel file. So pretty easy. I want to go and show you other data files or how to open other files or even other servers. So let's go to a new data source here, and then we'll get the new data source window here. Tableau asking, well, what new data source do you want to add? So we have a Tableau server, of course, but you can also get onto a Redshift server. So if you selected that, you put in your information here, your server name, your database, your port, and then your login credentials, um, and some of the other a little more advanced pieces, which, if you're not too technical, you may want someone from your company or some outside help to connect to something like a Redshift server. But I mean, that's pretty much, there's so many data sources going to Redshift, Amazon Redshift these days, that this is probably something that's worth picking up, um, learning how to connect to an Amazon Redshift server. Okay, so not only Redshift, but you can also connect to an Oracle server. You can connect to a MySQL server. Um, those are your main ones I think you're going to come across. Um, and then, this is a list of any other thing that you can think of, an SAP server, um, pretty much everything that you can even think of. I know they have some Cloudera Hadoop capability, so pretty much anything you can think of. Um, Going back to the files, an Access file, if you have a Microsoft Access database that you want to bring in, that's also available here. So very robust um, support from Tableau for data sources. And I just wanted to touch upon that and show you. how to connect or where you would go to connect to those different data sources. See you in the next video.